In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a project in ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want to reuse a project layout, copy a voice setup, or create a new version of an existing project without starting from scratch. If you're working on multiple audio projects, this can save you a lot of time and help keep your workflow nice and organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs Studio and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're inside Studio, you'll see your list of projects on the main dashboard. Take a moment to find the project you want to duplicate. This could be an older project you want to reuse, or one that already has the exact settings, script, or voice style you need. Now, hover over the project you want to duplicate. When you move your cursor over it, you should see additional options appear. Look for the three dots menu, usually located on the project card. This menu gives you access to more actions for that project, including duplication. Click the three dots to open the options menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see different actions related to the project. From here, choose Duplicate Project. Once you click that option, ElevenLabs will create a copy of the project for you. Depending on the size of the project and your connection, it may take a moment for the duplicate to appear. After that, your duplicated project should show up in your Studio dashboard as a separate project. You can open it, rename it, and make any changes you want without affecting the original. That's the big advantage here. You can experiment freely while keeping your original project safe and unchanged. And that's it. You've now learned how to duplicate a project in ElevenLabs using the Studio dashboard, the three dots menu, and the duplicate project option. It's a quick process, but it can make a huge difference when you want to save time and stay organized. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.